Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change TikTok shop address. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, you have to go ahead and tap on your TikTok app, and then what you need to do is then you have to go ahead tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner, and you have to make sure that you're logged in with your particular account, which is the TikTok seller account. Once you have logged in and switched to your seller account, what you're going to do is going to go ahead tap on this three horizontal line on top right corner, tap on settings and privacy, tap on this option of account, and you have to go ahead go to this section of change information in your location section of your shipping location of your particular TikTok shop account. That can be your warehouse location, that can be your, if you're doing an online business, that can be your house location. Whatever it is, you can go ahead change your shipping location, which will be your shop address where you send your product shipped from, right? Which is the again you have to change in your shipment location, where you will be able to update your location according to your need. Now that's what you can do, and you can do it as many times as you want, but it will sometimes it takes 1 or 2 business days for it to completely be changed. So once you have changed it, wait for it to finally be confirmed, and then go ahead and check it out here in the account information section. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.